It's Patrick at Pals. Ram trucks with a turbo diesel. They're made to work. So why is this one here? Well, we're going to put on 6 tires because it's a dually, and the front brakes need to be replaced. Now you take a look, we've got the tires off. There's the new tires that are going on, and these are the rear brakes, disc brakes. Also, this truck is rear-wheel drive with a differential. The fluid will be changed in that differential today. That's so that that differential will keep doing what it's supposed to do instead of coming apart. If you have a Ram diesel, bring it to Pals. See you soon.